Very warm welcome guys in our new video, and in this video I am going to share you how can you create new habits and break the old ones with a very easy process. But before starting, subscribe to our channel, click that bell icon and hit that like button too. So let's begin. First we will learn how to break the old habits, the bad ones. So, the very easy process, the best way is to make that habit difficult. Our human psychology is that we follow easy path. We don't go to the difficult one. So, if we make our old habits, the bad habits difficult, then we would not follow it, right? Let's say a man has a bad habit of eating junk food too much. So to make that habit difficult, the process would be to not keep the junk food at home only. If there would be no junk food in home, then he would not eat it. The mind will not go towards the junk food. If the junk food would not be visible, then he would not think of it, right? So this was the process to make the bad habit difficult. Then we would not follow it. And to make our good habits, we should make it easy. That's it. How can we make it easy? For example, a person starts a new habit of jogging every morning. So making the habit easy would be keep the clothes and shoes ready every night. So whenever he gets up, he get everything ready and he would not be delayed. So in conclusion, to break bad habits, the old habits, we have to make them difficult. The path that is followed should be difficult, and to start a new habit, to make a good habit, we have to make the path very easy to follow. So hope you have learned well in this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button, and we will meet in next video. Till then, stay tuned, keep learning, keep growing. Jai Hind.